Konnichiwa, hope everyone's good. Time for an ADC update. So I'll just get cracking with the knacking. Sorry for the watch. For now, it's still my old Casio MRW 200H, I think it is. I got it right. I think it was £10 or £14 from Argos. About 2 or 3 years ago, something like that. Maybe it's 4 years ago. And it's still going strong. Might be replacing this with a Timex, I think. One of the Timex expeditions. Spent a while looking and I think I might get one of those. Or a Casio. Just really like the Casios. But I saw a real nice Timex expedition with a rotating bezel and everything, which I use all the time for timing cooking and things, because we've got an old-fashioned oven, doesn't have a timer or anything built into it, so I use the watch every day for that. Anyway, still got the Ranger Turbo Flame, also going strong. Had that for a month maybe, just over. Keys changed very slightly. Found my old Exotac Nano Striker, so I added that. That's the only ferro rod that I carry on as now. I'd usually carry one in the wallet, but I've changed wallets and the Army Ferrocerium rod doesn't fit in there anymore, but I've still got the I1R2, which is awesome flashlight. On the NW20 Phoenix and the Uncle Bill's Slither Grippers. I'm still using the Maxpedition Tritium keychain, which I've had for a while as well. Notepad, still using the Right in the Reins, never have anything written in them, because I always rip out the pages after I've done, unless it's something I really want to keep. Then I'll just move it over. I've got fish size limits on the back, and card details on the other side, which I won't show. Pen is the Maxpedition Spicata, but I have ordered a new pen, which I'll hopefully get in 2 or 3 days. Spent ages looking for one, and I finally settled on a Zebra. Had to write it down because I couldn't remember what it was called. It's the FXMD, I think. It's either a D or an O. But it's a new, I think it's the 2020 version of their old stainless steel pen. Knife. Still using the homemade knife sheath. You can tell it's a Nagaho Higonokami. It's not a Nagaho Higonokami, but it is a Higonokami. And this is the Boka one with the Damascus blade, which is real Damascus. I didn't know it was made by Boka when I bought it. I thought it was a genuine one. So when I saw Boka on the box, I thought it's going to be a fucking fake Damascus. Pissed away some money. Wasn't super expensive. But I removed some of the coating. It's got oil on. It's also carbon steel, so it will rust. But it is a genuine Damascus blade. And it is made in Japan for Boka. And see the core and the cladding. So it's a very nice knife. I'm thinking about getting a brass version as well. Or the brass real Nagaho you gonna call me. With the sheep's foot blade. It's a rare one I haven't seen a lot of. Hygiene was selling it, but they're out. And there's one place in Europe that's selling it. So God knows how long that'll take to get here. Anyway, wallet is changed. I wanted to go a little bit more minimalist, so I've gone for a Hazard for Bandana card ID wallet. I've only got 2 cards now. I've got a ID, driver's license, and a debit card, and that fits in there perfectly. And I've just got the tops. Snap knife. I've removed the little survival kit around it, and I've just got a heavy duty, I think it's a size 10 or a number 10 seal needle, and the lucky coin my girlfriend gave us, which is a 1000 Japanese yen silver from 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Got Fujisan and Mount Fuji and some cherry blossoms, and that's that. And a zebra telescoping pen, which I found again recently, and a little smiley face clip that I stick, well, I used to stick receipts on, but I don't take receipts anymore, obviously because of the virus, and I don't have any cash or change for the same reason as well, so everything's done with notes now. But I grew a little attached to my little smiley face paperclip thing, so that's on all of the wallets now. So I'll carry that for a while. Got that 2 days ago. Haven't used it yet. So we'll give that a go for this month. And then, like I said before, I want to start doing EDC videos every 2 weeks instead of monthly. So we'll see how I feel about this in 2 weeks. Also got the Start Gear Hygiene hand tool, which has been pretty good. Use it for ATMs. Not many doors I can open with it. Everything is automated doors. The only time I'm around people is when I go to the shops, so ATMs is pretty much all I use it for. Door handles are obsolete now. And masks. Got the Chico bag, and I've still got the Adidas one, which I don't have to hand, and the Pack Safe, which is getting washed, and I'm thinking about upgrading to a, I forget what it is now, Rest Pro or something like that. Apparently with the virus changing now, you either have to dual masks up or get an N95 or N99 mask, which you can't get anywhere now. So Respro do a pretty good mask from what I've seen. I've looked up a few reviews of them. I think Urban Prepper has got a video on one. His is old. They've got some new ones since then. I was looking at one of the newer ones. But anyway, so I'm carrying a bandana and a hank. Why carry both? Bandana is much more useful than the hank for first aid, and if I've got to use it as a mask. But the hank has a microfiber and it's much better for wiping glasses in the lenses on the cameras, which I'm always doing. And I'm always outdoors, don't really work outdoors anymore, but I spend a lot of time outdoors and I still get like dirt and debris and sand and grit in the pockets sometimes. And sometimes they're mixing with the fibres of the bandanas. And I found that the micro fibre is a tighter weave than the cotton on most bandanas, so it's easier to just brush off. I've got a lot of little scratches on my glasses and camera lenses from wiping off with bandanas, and I found I can wipe these off much better. You still get bits of debris and whatever mixed into the fibres even if you hit it off, and I found you get less with the microfiber, so that's why I'm carrying both. One's better for first aid in a mask and one is better just for wiping off lenses. I got another bandana as well, not a bandana, another hank, going with the Japanese theme. Got the Great Wave from Evergreen Hanks, and that's also microfiber on the bottom. This one's actually a little bit more useful than the Pentley Park hank. No offence to the guy that does the Pentley Park hanks. It's just this is an 8 inch and that's a 11 inch or 10 and a bit inch. But Pentley Park does 8 inch ones as well. But I find the 8 inch one is much more useful for me since I'm only using it just for wiping down glasses and whatnot. Also, with the Japanese theme, it goes with the Hygiene Okami as well. So there's that. So I'll circulate between the two, but that's pretty much the reason why I'm carrying a hank and a bandana now. It doesn't take up any real space and weight. Carry one next to the wallet, one in the back pocket. Never really notice it. And that is it. Bag. Instead of editing videos, I might as well just I don't really have to edit the video. Only the bag's changed. Contents is the exact same as the last video. Bag is a Czechoslovakian bag, haversack, gas mask bag. I think it's from 1980. It's immaculate, never been issued. It's just one big pocket, there's no smaller pockets inside. And the closure is with toggles, which is cool. Nice and simple. No fuss, no muss. Easy to fix, easy to carve one in the woods if I break one. Like I say, the contents of the actual bag itself hasn't changed since the last video. First aid kit has changed slightly, which I'll show now, so I will edit the video. Only problem is my computer's actually broken, so I can't use the video editor on it. I've got to edit everything on my phone, so it's a bit of a pain. Also means this video and all of the videos until I get the computer fixed is going to be in 720p, because that's as high as I can go with this phone. Even though I've paid for the video editor and everything, I can't edit videos higher than 780p or 790p or whatever the hell it is, or 790 plus 60 or whatever, blah blah blah. Anyway, I'll show you the first aid kit right now. So that's my first aid kit. I had a couple of band-aids I'll stick in the wallet, the bandana, and in the bag I got an Israeli bandage, and that's my first aid kit. Now, I did tell a lie, there is one other thing that's changed with the bag. I done got me Dutch military canteen by Avon, brand new, immaculate. I've carried it for 2 days and it hasn't leaked, so it looks like I'm on a winner. It's pretty much the same as the British Osprey, but I've just did a video on that comparing the two, so I won't go into it. But that's the new canteen, which I'm really happy with. And that is the only thing that's changed with the bag, besides the bag itself. Contents of the bag, same as the last video. So I'm sure I've been rambling on. Thanks for watching. Chana.